Good morning from the heart of New York City. This is Food School Smarter, Stronger, Leaner podcast dedicated to wanting to learn and apply to eat better daily. I'm your host, Angela Shurina from CreateYourself.today, your personal nutritionist, your personal health and wellness coach, your personal fat loss guru, and just someone with a lot of passion for healthy eating, healthy food, everything and anything we put on our plates in order to hopefully look better, feel better, and perform better on all levels, not the other way around. When you eat and you feel worse, look worse, and perform worse on all levels. That happens if you don't think about what you put on your plate, if you don't think about food, if you don't care enough about yourself to think what you put in your mouth, in your body on a daily basis. Some people say food is just fuel. And although I agree that we shouldn't be obsessed about food and about and look at food as some sort of entertainment, I don't agree that food is just fuel. Food is something that gives us energy, for sure, fuels us. But analogy is a little bit inaccurate because food doesn't just pass through our body, giving us energy. Food actually makes every cell of our body, of our brain, every kind of biochemical that our body creates. Food affects all of it. So it affects how we feel. It affects how we function. It affects how long we live, how we feel. So food is not just fuel. And guys, today actually we're gonna do a short crash course in nutrition. Yesterday, Monday, August 27th, bodybuilding.com started their own nutrition course that you can take when you subscribe to their all access for it's $8.99 per month, and for that you get unlimited videos, workout routines. Bodybuilding.com, one of the oldest, best structured, most informative, with the most recent and proven information on exercise, bodybuilding, muscle building, but also nutrition, food from the best of the industry of bodybuilding and fitness and recompositioning your body. I don't know, bodybuilding.com, check them out. A lot of stuff is available for free, like exercise videos, for example, that I very often used to send to my clients to show how to do certain exercise, because why would I create more videos if you can easily see the best videos, the best technique on bodybuilding.com. Anyway, they came up with a course that you again get absolutely free if you are subscribed to their all access for $9. If you're not, I highly recommend you do, because you also get again all the workout routines from the best bodybuilding people out there, best trainers, best fitness models. And their nutrition course is designed to help us to understand what nutrition is all about, what healthy diet is all about, what are carbohydrates, fats, and proteins on a basic level, and what are their roles in our body. The course also explains how to gain muscle or gain any kind of weight using nutrition, how to lose weight, how to burn fat, how to eat for your fitness goals. There are 9 video lessons. I just watched the first one yesterday and it was amazing. So today I just gonna give you what I learned from that lesson, what that lesson was all about, and although for me it didn't necessarily give a lot of new information, but it reminded me of a few basic concept in nutrition. So guys, without further ado, let's just dig in the basics of nutrition. So first of all, what is nutrition? Nutrition is giving your body what it needs to perform its function. So again, nutrition is giving your body what it needs to perform its function. And when we talk about nutrition, when we talk about food, we need to separate substances that we ingest, basically what we eat, into two categories. Substances that give us energy, like proteins and carbohydrates and fats, also known as macronutrients. Those substances, proteins, carbohydrates, fats, that of course come in the form of food, they have calories. And then also, besides those macronutrients, we have micronutrients, non-caloric substances that support body's metabolism, that do not necessarily provide energy, but without them, without vitamins, minerals, some phytonutrients, you're just not going to function well, and your body is not going to perform its function well. So those, again, like vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients, those are micronutrients, and they're non-caloric substances that do not provide you energy. And then there is water, of course, that everyone absolutely needs to function. We are somewhere around 70% water, and every cell for its daily function needs water. So if we obviously don't drink water, we die. We can live without food for some people, do even like 30-day fast and more, but without water, we can live, a week if we are lucky. So what's the purpose of nutrition? The purpose of nutrition is to optimize our food for our goals. Again, let it sink in. The goal of nutrition is to optimize our food for our goals. And that, guys, leads us to the question of a healthy diet or healthy nutrition. So first and foremost, you got to identify your nutrition goals. So why are you eating? What is the most important thing for you that you want your food to help you with? Like, is it health? Is it optimizing for longevity? Is muscle building one of the important goals for you right now? Is losing fat, burning fat, important goal for you right now? Do you want to have more energy and perform better mentally and physically using food and nutrition? So you always got to prioritize and understand that there is no such thing as ideal diet or ideal nutrition. Only the best diet and the best nutrition for your goals at this stage in your life, in that kind of environment that you live in. So, goal of nutrition is to optimize your food for your goals. Healthy diet. What is healthy diet? In the course, they talked about five aspects of healthy diet. So, for example, healthy diet is a diet that provides variety, meaning that your food, your nutrition shouldn't come from one food source or one macronutrient. So you shouldn't be eating, just the coconut oil with the meat. You should be eating variety of foods, variety of healthy, whole foods, and your fats and your proteins and your vitamins and minerals should not come from, let's say, spinach and meat only. You should eat variety of greens and vegetables, of meats. That's why, for example, I always rotate my proteins, I rotate my seafood, I rotate my meats, my chicken, my vegetables, although these days I'm not eating a lot of vegetables, but even greens, I always make sure that I pick up different salad mixes, different green mixes, that I try new vegetables, different vegetables, even, my chocolate, my 100% chocolate, I make sure that I eat different ones. So variety is the key for a healthy diet. Balance, again, that meaning the balance of nutrients. So again, you're not eating just fat, you're not eating just protein, you're not eating just carbohydrates. You create the balance of your diet. So you consume, and again, for different people, it's going to mean different things depending on your goal and where you are in life, what your health is like, what your lifestyle is like, but you need to have balance so you avoid cravings and health problems and weight gain or weight loss. Maximum nutrient density, meaning minimum empty calories. That's where junk food diet comes in. Why junk food diet is so bad, besides putting poisonous substances in your body? Well, a junk food diet provides a lot of calories, a lot of energy, or nutrients that contain energy, and almost no micronutrients, junk food diet, it's unbalanced. It doesn't have vitamins and minerals and all the other substances that our bodies need. So maximizing nutrient content per calorie of food should be I think that should be one of the goals for nutrition for everyone. That's why whenever I eat certain food, I try to look at its nutritional profile all the time and see how many vitamins, minerals, phytonutrients, antioxidants, different substances, healthy fats, healthy proteins, amino acids, healthy fiber, that food has. And I'm trying to squeeze in as much nutrition as possible per calorie of food. So maximum nutrient density, another aspect of healthy diet. Moderation, even a healthy diet, when you overeat all the time, it's not healthy. So you gotta eat in moderation. You gotta fast, you gotta feast, you gotta allow your body to be without food and with a lot of food. So moderation always. But shit and toxic substances from junky food should not come into your body in any form, and there is no basically moderation doesn't mean putting toxic substances in your body in moderation. That you should avoid. Sustainability, meaning some healthy diet should be something that you can sustain and maintain for a long periods of time without struggling, without thinking about it all the time, because that can only increase stress in your life and cravings and thoughts about food, and decrease your energy levels and your performance. So the diet should be something that is comfortable for you to do and sustainable for a long period of time. So again, healthy diet aspects: variety, different food sources, right? Balance, the balance of nutrients, maximum nutrient density, so maximizing nutrient content per calorie, moderation, eating enough, eating not too much, not too little, for your goals, for your lifestyle. And sustainability is something, an approach that you can sustain without too much discomfort or overthinking, something that basically works for you. But what, healthy diet is obviously all about healthy food. So what is healthy food though? And there is no real definition. Nobody can say, I know what healthy food is. But we can say that healthy food is minimally processed, or as in the course they say, not too processed, not too many ingredients. And just by thinking about those concepts, not too processed, not too many ingredients, you will automatically eat better. So of course, we as human beings, we are cooking animals. So we actually evolved because we started cooking and we could access more nutrients from our food. So we process food. Even boiling your eggs is the form of processing, but minimally processed, meaning the food should stay as close to its original state after this, initial cooking as possible. Like cooking eggs, boil them and that's it, or fry them. Meat or fish or chicken, just cook it. So you cook your proteins. Try to use moderate heat to change proteins and fats in that food the least possibly. So because a lot of fats and actually proteins, when they change, they become not that healthy for us, and our body has difficulties to process them. So there is like golden middle when you cook your food, but not too much again. So not too processed, and of course not too many ingredients. Don't eat things that are not foods So your food should contain, if it's something in a package, that should contain food ingredients, not something that was made in a lab, not some, they would put aluminum and dyes. That book that, I finished reading, Additives. They would put even plastic in our food if it helped to sell more. So just make sure that in your food there are no food ingredients, and that's what not too many ingredients means. Basically, think before you eat, and more often think about what do you need to eat for your goals, not what you want to eat. Because what you want to eat, your brain is a very tricky thing. We have or might have a lot of food addictions, a lot of emotions that might trigger craving for certain food that is not necessarily good for us. So again, try to think more about food and ask yourself before eating more often, what do I need to eat, instead of what do I want to eat. That's what my nutrition personal diet is all about. What do I need to eat in order to maintain and to support my goals, not what do I want to eat. Because honestly, if I were to eat what I want, I'll probably just eat chocolate. Even maybe healthy chocolate, but still it wouldn't be a healthy diet, or a sustainable diet, or a diet that supports my goals or my performance. So what do you need to eat for your goals, instead of what do you want to eat? So guys, hopefully that was helpful. That was your crash course in nutrition, healthy diet, healthy eating. Again, go to bodybuilding.com. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. I just love the guys. Content is amazing. And you're going to learn so much in those just 9 video lessons that are like, the last one was 8 or 9 minutes. And you're going to learn how to create your own meal plans, how to adjust your nutrition, to lose weight, to build muscle, to feel better, what are carbs, proteins, and fats all about, and how you can use them properly to optimize your nutrition for your goals. So bodybuilding.com, if you search there for nutrition course, that's going to pop up. And if you have any questions about nutrition, food, guys, always send me a question to Angela@createyourself.today, so I could also create better videos, better educational lessons. I'm working on my own courses to help you to figure out and navigate this confusing these days food world, where most of the food can kill you, and most of the food actually is killing people, not try to wait, but with all the degenerative diseases and that can lead to heart attacks or lung failure, and I'm not even kidding here. So guys, if you have any questions, if you need some education about food or some help with choosing healthy food, healthy nutrition for your goals, if you need a meal plan that suits your goals, whatever those goals can be, shoot me email to Angela@createyourself.today, Angela@createyourself.today. And guys, till next time, eat better daily. And ask yourself, what do I need to eat for my goals? Not what do I want to eat. Thank you, love you all, and have an awesome day.